At Center for Insect Research, we are focused on utilizing beneficial insects such as black soldier fly to enhance people's livelihood and also to solve the problem of environmental waste and also to generate for people protein. So currently, Center for Insect Research in partnership with universities like Makerere University and Michigan State University have acquired funding from the USAID PEER grant, which is focused on scaling the enterprise of black soldier fly among peri-urban farmers in Kampala. So under this, we have a capacity building component, and we intend to train up to 100 women and youth in commercial black soldier fly farming, with the intended aim of promoting the enterprise for livelihood and as a post-COVID recovery intervention for these communities. Peri-urban Kampala, why? Because it's an area where there's a lot of aggregation of organic waste, and we feel this is the only one of the mechanisms in which we can clean our environment. It's one of those innovations that poor people can start. It needs low cost, technology to start. It needs if someone needs to access knowledge, and we believe we are solving one of the problems for technology adoption for the black soldier fly. Center for Insect Research was chosen for this innovation because it's one of those pioneer training facilities for black soldier fly within Uganda. It has experience of over 2 years and in production of the backyard model that it's trying to roll out to the communities, and it has optimized different rearing processes that farmers can also adopt. So Center for Insect has positioned itself as a one-stop knowledge center for black soldier fly farming within the country.